Good morning. Speaking Production Forum. Description of my home. My name is Alexander Villamizar Gutierrez. My code is 91184476. Group 101. I student National University Open and Distance UNAD. Program Industrial Engineering. I present my family house. In the picture 1, he is my wife's father. They visit us constantly and we share white and barbecue. In the picture 2, this is my resting place. In the picture 3, there a whiteboard and TV. And finally, in the picture 4, this is my bed with 2 tables. Thank you.